I'm going to show you how you can add or invite more members to your Lovable workspace so they can edit and use your projects as well. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So firstly, if you don't have a Lovable account yet, you can use my referral link because it will give you 10 extra credits for free so you can start building your projects. After you have your Lovable account, just go right here and click on invite. Now right here you should find the list of the people on your workspace. In my case it's only me, but you can add new emails to send them an invite, and right here you should see all the information of your workspace, including all the members, the email, the role they have on your workspace, how many credits they have used on your projects, and the date of when they have joined. So this way they could access all your projects right here. In my case, I only have 2, and they could make any changes depending on the role they have. Because if we go back right here, you can see all the available roles right here, including admin, just editor, or even just a viewer. So that's it. That's how you can add more members to your Lovable workspace. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.